Hi, boys and girls. Let's take a look at our writing for today. Today, we're going to be making the lowercase L, and it's right here. So it's going to be a fairly easy letter for us. It's a straight line down, but remember, it's tall, so it starts above the line. So it's down, bump. All right, so we're going to hold our pencil correctly, and we're going to start over here. Here's the capital L, and then the lowercase. So it's just about the same. It's just got the only difference is it doesn't have that little line. So when we start, we'll start at the top and just go down, bump. Remember, when we say bump, that means it's hitting the line and not going past. The L does not fall past that last line. All right, now let's make one on our own. Down, bump. Good job. Okay, let's keep going. Down, bump. All right, and I'm using one hand to hold my book so it doesn't move. Down, bump. Down, bump. Down, bump. Down, bump. All right, make sure you're still slow and in control. Down, bump. Down, bump. Now I get to make one on my own with no help. Ready? Down, bump. Wow, I did a great job, so I'm going to give myself a check, and I think that this is my best one, the one that I'm most proud of. L is for lizard. Remember that L makes the O sound. All right, we're also going to do page 47, and that's right here, and these are words that have the letter L, but also some of the other letters that we worked really hard on. So we're going to first do this word, dig, okay? So we're going to trace it, magic C, up, and then down, and then the I, and then the G. Now remember, the G is a fall letter, so it goes below the line. Are you ready to make it on your own here? All right, let's do it. Magic C, up, down, bump. The I is down, bump, dot, magic C, up, down, turn. Okay, you just take your time and do your best work. Now we're going to do the word will. Now if you notice, it's showing some different lines. So with these lines, the top line is where you start those tall letters, and the middle line is where we start the small letters. So let's go ahead and trace W, I, L, L, will. Okay, now we're going to do it down here. W, I, L, L. Okay, take your time, do your best work. All right, let's do the word gate. There's a gate right here. All right, G, A, T is a tall letter. That E, remember you had to start in the middle line, nothing around. Okay, let's do it. Magic C, up, bump, down, turn. Now we're doing the A. Magic C, up like a helicopter, bump, down, bump. And then the T is a tall letter. Down, bump, across. And then the E, remember it starts in the middle. Up and around. There, gate. All right, now we're going to write a sentence. Leo was lost. Notice the spaces in between, the period when we're done writing our sentence, and the capital letter for Leo. So we're going to first do Leo. Leo is a name, so it has to be capital anyway. Poor Leo to be lost. Okay, now I'm going to make my capital L here. Take your time. Your E's got to be up and around. This is good practice to make all the letters that we've been practicing. Now, do you see the word was, but see that space? So sometimes I like to put my finger in there to remind me that there's a space there. So I'm going to trace the word was. Okay, now it's my turn to write the word was over here. Okay, W, Make sure, see how I put my finger space here? A, magic C, up, a helicopter down, bump. And then the S. Make sure they stay between the lines. If not, erase them and make it right, okay? Now we're going to come up here and trace the word lost. It's the L that we practiced already, the O, S, that's a tricky one to keep it between those two lines, and the T is a nice tall letter. And then we'll do our period too right away. So again, finger space, make your L, your O, S, T is tall, and then your period because you're all done talking. All right, when you're done and you felt like you've done your best work, go ahead and check it. I felt like I did my best work. Dig, will, gate, Leo was lost. And I felt I did a good job up here too, so I'm going to check that for 2 because I'm pretty proud of that. Once you finish both of these and it's your best work, okay, your best work, then take a picture and send it to me on Seesaw. All right, I can't wait to see your great writing.